In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Authenticator on desktop, PC, Mac. While the official Google Authenticator app isn't available for computers, you can still generate the same time-based two-factor codes on your desktop using trusted browser extensions or desktop utilities. These tools follow the same standard that Google Authenticator uses, so they work with the same QR codes and setup keys you'd use on a phone. Here's the idea. You'll install a compatible Authenticator extension in your browser, open it from the toolbar, and add your accounts by scanning a QR code or pasting a setup key from a website's two-factor setup page. Once added, the extension shows the familiar rotating 6-digit codes you enter when you sign in. Tools like Authenticator Desktop, Authenticator for PC, Authenticator and Authenticator app are popular options. They aren't made by Google, but they generate the same TOTP codes and work offline. Let's walk through it. First, install an Authenticator extension from your browser's official store, such as the Chrome Web Store for Chrome or another Chromium-based browser. Before you add it, take a moment to check reviews, the developer's credibility, recent updates, and requested permissions. That quick check helps you choose a reputable tool. After installation, click the new icon near your address bar to open the extension. If your browser allows it, pin the icon so it's easy to reach whenever you sign in to websites. Inside the extension, look for an option like Add Account or Scan QR Code. Now, go to the website where you want to enable two-factor authentication and open its security or login settings. Choose the option to set up an Authenticator app. You'll see a QR code on the site, along with a setup key as a backup. Use the extension's scanner to capture the QR code, or paste the key if that's easier. Some tools can also import a saved QR image. As soon as you add the account, the extension will start showing a 6-digit code that refreshes about every 30 seconds. When the website asks for your code, type what you see in the extension, and you're done. Your setup secrets are stored locally by the extension, often with optional encryption, and the codes are generated offline, so you don't need a phone or an internet connection for the codes themselves. A few quick safety tips. Protect your computer with a strong login password, enable the extension's lock or encryption, if offered, and keep the recovery codes provided by each website in a safe place. Only enable cloud backup inside an Authenticator tool if you fully understand how it's encrypted. That's it. Simple, secure, and entirely on your desktop. Giyun.